Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is entering the super buying zone, and you might be thinking that Bitcoin is moving down, how it is entering the super buying zone. Let me explain it why I am expecting that. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start this analysis, and first of all, let me just show you this weekly time frame chart. As 2 days ago, I shared this video with you guys when I told you that it is happening fifth time in the history of Bitcoin as per the Bitstamp exchange that whenever this RSI goes below 40 level, then after some time, Bitcoin starts a very, very big move. Right now, in today's video, I want to show you Ichimoku cloud. I'm not emphasizing on this oscillator. Yes, it is below 40, and we also have this stochastic on the weekly time frame in the oversold zone. That has value, but if we take a look at the Ichimoku cloud, then you will find a very, very powerful, and I call it as a super buying signal. You can see that we have completely broken down this Ichimoku cloud. We have also broken down these conversions and baselines of Ichimoku cloud as well. The lagging span is also moving down to cross down this Ichimoku cloud. That will be a really very bearish signal. But if we take a look at the previous history of Ichimoku cloud, we have the data available from 2011 up till now as per the Bitstamp exchange. Then we can see whenever the price line crosses down this Ichimoku cloud, then a massive buying can be started. It can take some time, or sometime it happens very soon. For example, let me just show you here when we broke it down here in June 2018. Then we started some accumulation here. We moved a little bit more down, and then we broke it out again. This was the COVID drop, therefore I'm ignoring this. This was a continuation of this move, and look at the move, how much massive this was. Approximately we touched $70,000. So far we have touched $69,000. Now let's move back here back in 2014. We broke it down, we accumulated here, we broke it out, and look at the massive rally after that. And now let's move back here in December 2011. We broke it down, we accumulated, we crossed up even the lagging span and everything, the conversion and the baseline and the cloud as well. And look at the massive rally we had. Now, right now, we are just breaking down. We have just broken down this Ichimoku cloud once again. We have the support here at $28,600 approximately. However, it is not necessary that the price line will test this support, but it is possible that it will test this support. No matter it goes to $28,600, maybe $25,000, but the move that will be started to the upside from here, that will be really very massive, and this drop will be nothing as compared to that move. Look at here. We had this move here, 1, and then we had here 2, and then we had here 3, and if we also include this COVID drop as well, then this is 4th, and this is the 5th time happening in their history of Bitcoin. We are also oversold. If we watch the stochastic, we are oversold, and the RSI is also below 40. If you have watched my previous video, this video, then you can better understand how the Bitcoin starts to move when we have the RSI below 40. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.